Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to make non-profitable items profitable. We like to call this manufacturing margins. The very first way of being able to manufacture margins is to wait for items to go on sale. Learn the sites you like to source. So in this case, if you like to source Walgreens, they do a lot of buy two, get one free makeups, or maybe they have like personal care, sometimes go buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one half off, like over here on this makeup. So learning the sales on the websites you like to source is very important because you don't want to be buying something for full price and 2 weeks later you can get it for 30% off because your competitors are going to buy it when it's on sale and they're not going to be able to compete with their price, which is going to cost you money if you decide to price match them, or you're going to end up having to hold on to that item longer than you wanted to. So the first way to be able to find out when these sites are having a sale is to sign up for their email list. They'll send you every time there's a sale going on. Also, you can actually ask their chat service. So whether you email them or you do a live chat, you can usually ask when or what type of sale is going to be happening that month. And sometimes they will tell you, not always, but it's definitely worth a shot to say, hey, when is this product going on buy one, get one free? Or, do you have this sale catalog for the month? And sometimes they will give it to you. This can take a $12 item and turn it into an $8 item. Next, we're gonna be using the cashback extensions. There's so many different ones to use, but I'm gonna show you my personal favorites that I use on a daily basis. So we're gonna have Rakuten, don't think that's how you pronounce it. I always forget how to say it. Next is gonna be RetailMeNot. We have CapitalOneShopping, Honey, Coupert, again, not sure how to pronounce it. And then Hoopla Doopla, I love this one. This one's probably one of my favorites. This one and Rakuten, again, don't know how to say it. Those two I use the most out of both of them, but I use all of these just depending on what it is. Coupert is gonna be more of coupon codes more than like cashback. You see I only have like $2.62 in here, so I really don't have that much in here. You can actually source using these cashback extension sites and see what they're offering for, what's the high cashback today. You see Nike's 4%, you see PetSmart's 10%, so maybe that's where you're gonna start today when you're gonna start sourcing. And these sites, they do cashback for big names like Nike, Macy's, Walgreens, Ulta, all of those type of brands, Under Armour. They have so many sites to use. So if you're not using this cashback extension, any of these, you're just losing out on easy money because either way you're going to buy those products or not. So you might as well get a little bit of money back for it. If you are doing OA, online arbitrage, this is a must for your Amazon business. Some of these extensions also provide you with potential coupons that could save you additional money, which again is like the Coupert. This is more coupon codes more than a cashback extension. Next, you can account for any rewards you earn with credit cards. My personal favorite is going to be the Capital One Spark that gives you a 2% cash back on all purchases. I've already made over $1,000 just off the rewards program since I got this card this last year. They also have right now a $3,000 in cash bonuses for the first 6 months. I only had $1,000 for my first year, so this is even better offer than it was when I signed up. But this is my all-time favorite card that I've ever used with Amazon since I started in 2021. I highly suggest this one, and I also will have the link below for you guys if you want to go ahead and try to get this card and sign up. Next is going to be discounted gift card sites. This took me so long to finally do. I don't know why, but I should have started this earlier and I just lost money at the end of the day for not using this. But my two favorite are going to be CardCash and CardCookie. There are so many other sites you can go out to try to find discounted gift cards. Definitely make sure whichever one you go, make sure there's some type of day guarantee. Sometimes if it's only like a 1-day guarantee, they're very short, 3-day guarantee. Those are a little bit more sketchy in my opinion, because if something was like a stolen credit card and they bought gift cards and they sold them to something like this, you're not going to have that time. If you only have a day, and if something goes wrong with the gift card where it's a zero balance, whatever it may be, you're just out of luck and you lose that money. So make sure you find something with a 45-day guarantee or a 30-day, and make sure you use that card and there's no cancellation on the order and nothing like that. Just make sure you use it within that time frame, because I have not done that and I've lost, I think like $500 and like a couple hundred another time because something happened to the card and I just couldn't get my money back. So let that be a lesson and don't do that. Make sure you use it within the time frame you're supposed to. Now you can view their discounts on their sites and purchase what you need. So for the stores I shop at, I get anywhere from 5 to 15% off their gift cards. For example, if you purchase a gift card for $100, that was 10% off. You're only gonna be paying $90, but you have a gift card that's valued at $100. So whenever you're shopping at that site, you just instantly gave yourself a 10% off coupon code, essentially, because you're only gonna pay $90, but you're gonna buy $100 worth of product. So that alone can save you so much money. I only like to buy gift cards for sites that I have already purchased from, because just in case I get a cancellation, I have issues getting it sent to my prep center, whatever it may be. I don't want to buy $300 worth of gift cards and then I can't use them. And then I'm like, crap, what am I going to do? And I've had to actually resell it back to CardCash to get my money, some of it back. I've had to do that once. So just make sure whatever site you're buying from, you've already bought from them before, and you know that they're not going to cancel your orders and you're not going to have an issue with it. So this is CardCash. This is what CardCookie looks like. Right now you can see an 8% discount with Target. Target is super easy because you can just add all your gift cards to your account just like that. And it's saying that I also have a coupon code. So additionally, when you sign up with your email for these, they will actually send you additional discounts. So I just recently, I posted on my Instagram that I got an additional 5% off all my gift cards that I bought. So I saved like $400 through buying gift cards with the discount from, I think it was CardCash, on top of my 5% additional coupon code that they sent me in my email. So make sure you also sign up for your emails and take advantage of those when they come by. So I stocked up on my Kohl's gift cards. So now after reviewing all 4 of these ways to manufacture your margins, let's see how it would work in a real life scenario. So what we're going to use is PetSmart, for example. You see here that there is a code for 20% off right now with your order through February 4th. This is essentially going to take a $10 product and make it $8 for you. So you decide you want to purchase this item, so you're going to head over to CardCookie and see if they have any discounted cards. So we see here right now CardCash has 3%. This isn't ideal, like this is barely anything as far as like money wise, unless you're buying something small. But for this example, it's going to work. So you get 3% off. So you're going to add these to your cart and you're going to purchase them using the Spark card for 2% back on your purchase. So not only did we get 3%, but now we're going to get an additional 2% off on this value here, or on the value that we pay. So it won't be the face value, it'll be what we actually pay. So you'll get 2% back on the $24.25. So we went ahead, let's say we buy these cards, and now we're coming back over here. We're gonna go ahead and activate this 10% back. Now, whenever you're going through and deciding what am I gonna activate, because you have all these different extensions pop up. So I always go through the best one, and the one that I know that always gives me the cash back. Sometimes TopCashBack, if they somehow flag it like you're a reseller or something like that, I've seen issues where you don't get that cash back. It gets just like negated and it's gone. So I will still use TopCashBack sometimes, but I will pick this one or RetailMeNot over TopCashBack if they're within like 1% of each other. But Rakuten, again, saying it wrong, I know. They're both 10%, so either one, it doesn't really matter. But for this example, we're going to do RetailMeNot. We're going to hit activate cash back. So once you hit that, then you're going to come over to your items. You're going to add them to your cart. You're going to check out and purchase your items. So now the steps of making this purchase was you activated the 10% on RetailMeNot. We added the products that we wanted to buy to our cart. We paid for that order using your 3% discounted gift cards that you bought with your 2% cashback Spark card. Now that is how you manufacture your margins when it comes to online arbitrage. Now, if your competitor is not taking all those extra steps that you just did to get that discount, that additional discount, all your competitor did was get that 20% off. They didn't get anything else. Where you gave yourself a nice buffer of the cashback extension, the gift cards, and the credit card rewards as well, which is what they're not doing. So you're able to get your stuff at a lower price, be able to compete more than they are going to with the price fluctuations that can happen when you're selling on Amazon. These are ways that I help increase my margins when I'm doing online arbitrage. I hope you enjoyed this video. I went ahead and linked all of the extensions, any of the sites that I mentioned down below, so you guys can check those out, sign up. They were all for free. Other than the credit card, there is a monthly or a yearly fee for that one. but everything else is free to sign up. So at this point, you might as well sign up if you're doing OA, because it just doesn't make sense. And why wouldn't you want that extra money at the end of the day? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.